Hi guys, a very good afternoon to the MSMT team. Today we have come to the Shukra auditorium to do a small sound check and check all the audio equipment so that when we come onto the stage on 7th, there shouldn't be any problem. So Amrit has also come with us to check for the audio recording, audio out of the mixer so that we'll get the proper recording of all the songs that we're going to perform. So, thank you so much and thanks for the support. Thank you MSMT team again. Bye. It used to be so easy. Give my heart away, but I found out the hard way. There's a price you have to pay. Well, I found that love was no friend of mine. Now I should have known time after time. But I still got the blues for you. Used to be so easy, fall in love again. But I found out the hard way. It's a road that leads to pain. I found that claim to win, but you lose just the same. So long, it's so long ago, but I still got the blues for you. So many years since I've seen your face. Here in my heart, there's an empty space where you used to be. अंदर का कुत्ता चुतरिए, अब दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सकिए। अंदर का कुत्ता चुतरिए, अब दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सकिए। पाउडर की लाइनों का रखेगा कौन इंसान? उड़ता पंजा, उड़ता पंजा, उड़ता पंजा।